Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to free up space in Google Drive using your mobile phone. First, open the Google Drive app. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Next, tap Manage Storage. At the bottom, you will see Clean Up Space. Tap it. At this point, I realized that the email I wanted to clear storage for was not selected. So I tapped the profile icon in the top corner and switched to the correct email. Now you will see suggested cleanup items. There are options like large files, spam, and others. First, tap Large Files. On the first page, you will see all the big files. Tap Select All to choose them. I was able to delete over 4 gigabytes in one go. Remember, make sure to check Permanently Delete before confirming deletion. You can repeat this process a few times until you free up as much space as you need. After finishing, you will notice a lot more free space in your Google Drive. And that's it. Your Google Drive is clean and ready for more files.